Look at her shaking.
For dog owners, it can be a helpless feeling to see their pet panic.
Okay, Charlie.
These pets left paralyzed by the sound of fireworks.
We have all the way from like very mild to very severe cases where dogs are going through windows and, escaping out of crates during noise events.
Amy Pike specializes in animal behavior and is excited about a new drug just approved by the FDA to help dogs who get stressed out by loud noises. The prescription drug is called Pexion, and it's given to dogs 2 days before an expected loud event like the 4th of July and during the event. In a study, 66% of owners who gave their dog the pill say they saw good or excellent results.
I think it definitely has the potential to make a huge impact for some of these noise-phobic dogs.
But there are downsides. The most common side effects are difficulty standing or walking, increased appetite, and low energy. Pexion is part of a growing list of medications approved by the FDA to treat pets.
Everything that I've seen has been great and totally adding to the quality of life for these animals that I'm working with. It's really, and I'm relieved to see that people are understanding the importance of medication in the behavior modification process. Good boy.
Juliana Willems is a dog trainer.
Let's go.
She says to see the best results with Pexion, dog owners should use the medication in combination with behavior training, which could help everyone at home.
Humans have such a hard time with it, and a lot of time I do just as much human counseling as I do dog training, and so once the dog is behaving better, it improves. The family feels better. Like you said, it's better for everybody.
For the Now, I'm Corey Rangel.